Gentle the Yahoo boys don come outside. Come talk say Gentle the Yahoo is alive. Say nothing do to Gentle Yahoo. Say that na propaganda. All Nigerians wey the Nigerian military dey try carry out there so that they go fit find am come outside. My people, e don red o. As e stand right now, they say they don expose Nigeria o, that more than 7,000 Christians was spy inside Nigeria and no news carried about this thing. My people, they say the IG of police don come outside come tell the general public the reason why did they discuss with the bandits and they fight, they kill the Igbo youth for inside Southeast. My people, as it start right now, no be small thing they happen for inside Nigeria. Or they say that finally the terrorists where they negotiate with, they don't recruit them, they put for their forces. It already. I will play the videos as they happen before we come back and continue. Don't stay tuned as they watch. Make sure you share the video.
Good afternoon, good evening. No matter your time and your location above like Biafra, that make around Weze. Ahamwo Biafra must go. Or Aham Biafra must go. I'm a Johana now wound. Because of news aquariano. Ndi Nigeria terrorists, Ndi Nigeria Zoom. And a bloody news. Na Gentle the Yahoo. Na ha patago Gentle the Yahoo aka. Na Gentle the Yahoo na ha egbuolie. N'ụbọchị taa ma 22nd of September 2025. Ka ma gwunu ụbọchị taa ma na Gentle the Yahoo Nigeria Zoom enweta ha ejighị ya emeghị arrest. Ha egbu ukweni ya. Una jukwa ndị Nigeria Zoom na that na ma hejide ma ha ji Gentle the Yahoo ma hemina arrest hejunu picture full picture and akwa oyi he me arrest and akwa oyi he egbuo ya dịka ha kwụsị egbuolie unechekwa echiche unne gbari news ma ndị niile wo ụmụ Biafra ha na-aṅụ awụli elu na Gentle the Yahoo na egbuolie na Gentle the Yahoo na ejidele ya Gentle the Yahoo enwe onye ọbụla gburu ya nwekwara onye ọbụla gidere ya alegide ikuku l'aka ụmụnne masị m ka m jụ na ikuku alegide ya l'aka ikuku na mmanụ ọnya ndị zuru filia na dat na ha ga-egbulu Gentle the Yahoo ha ga-epuzo gbuo Chukwu Okike abịam ma ha ga-egbuli Chukwu Okike abịam na amata na gadat na ha ga-egbuteli Gentle the Yahoo ma ha ga-egideli Chukwu Okike abịam n'aka mee arrest una ma na dat na ha ga-egideli Gentle the Yahoo l'aka mee arrest. Ndị Nigeria zuru bara n'ime akụ lere narị dị mmadụ lere innocent soul ụmụ nwaanyị abụọ n'ụdị a ụmụ agbọghọ ọbịa gbagbu ise leekwu na ọnwụ ndị Gentle and the men ya ka ha gburu ashị dị ha Gentle the Yahoo na ebe ọ nọ na treatment kemgbe ndị Nigeria terrorist bandit gbakara aka with ndị politician wee nye ha poison before commanders of Biafra nye hụ poison mana ekele dịrị Chukwu Biafrans a masị unu keleme Chukwu na one of the commanders n'ime ndị enye poison ọ nwetara onwe ya ọ rịkọvala otu onye ka ha kọmanda ka echere kọfụkwa otu ndị ọzọ sọmọfụ commanders ndị ọzọ ga-ejikwe gbakekwe very soon oge adịghị anya unu ga-anụ olu Gentle the Yahoo n'okwu olu General Putus with commanders ndị ọzọ unu mata ndị niile ha chịghị ọchị ndị niile ha ṅụọ ọṅụ wụ enemies of Biafra. Biafra must go. Ọwa aha m Biafra must go. Eji m ohere na ala agwa unu asụlụ ụbọchị nta ka a chọọ na were nche udo dịrị unu.
Hold on, come. This one.
Nigeria, I mean, the fact that this issue has not gotten on people's radar.
Right, no one's talking about it.
It's pretty amazing. If you don't know what's going on in Nigeria, your media sources suck. You are in a bubble. Not, and again, I'm not a Christian, but they are systematically killing the Christians in Nigeria. They've killed over 100,000 since 2009. They've burned 18,000 churches. This is so much more. These are their Islamists, Boko Haram. This is so much more of a genocide attempt than what is going on in Gaza. They are literally attempting to wipe out the Christian population of an entire country. Where are the kids protesting this?
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Because no one will talk about it, so thank you.
Absolutely.
About reported bandits coming out for peace deals, and you want to know what my reaction is to that. Criminals who want to embrace peace, we won't shut the doors to them. If they want to surrender, they are welcome. But that does not mean that we are going to relax on our onslaught on them. Question 2 from Adewale Kehinde, Swift Reporter. We want to know what we are doing about attacks on our men. Of course, severally, I have sounded warning to the public against attacking police officers on lawful duties. Attacks on our men is unacceptable. We don't accept attack on police officers carrying out their lawful duties. Severally, I have appealed to the public that if they feel that they do not agree with the conduct of a police officer, they should please report that police officer to the authorities. Every state has a command commissioners of police. Every division has a DPO. Every area has area commander. We also have the complaint response units in all the states of the Federation, and their phone numbers have been displayed several times in the media. If you don't agree with the conduct of any police officer, don't attack that policeman. Report his conduct to his superiors. And I can assure you that such reports will not be dismissed. All necessary actions will be taken against that policeman.
Sure, now don't listen to waiting the IG. In fact, sure, now don't listen to waiting. Sure, now don't listen to the Inspector General of Police waiting in carry him own mouth. They talk. Say, if you be criminal and you don't buy people, you don't do cause insecurity in the whole of Nigeria, then anytime we say you want to repent, make you come, nobody go touch you. When I go sit down, talk peace. You go talk waiting you want. You go demand anything that you want. You go demand. If then you people will then go by negotiation. Then will give you what you need. That is to say, what they actually encouraging now is that all the whole youth from Nigeria should venture into criminal, into kidnapping, into bandit. Then if you don't do the business tire, anytime when we say you don't feel like say I don't try, maybe I don't use to make money, then you then call yourself in order and then go and invite some government officials so that people will talk peace talk, so they will give you your own share. So that is the latest business now. So if you're a Nigerian youth and you don't have a job, what are you waiting for? It's available. Submit. In fact, there's no qualification at all. Just I will call the phone number of this particular bandit leader. In the share phone number anyhow. I will just drop the contact. If you're interested, comment at the comment section. Just ask at the comment section. And another thing we say, you see this one when you come, they talk say, if any police officer look for your trouble, say make you go report, make you know attack them. Especially all these ones where we say police officer go carry their color, at least just they shoot, they pipe people anyhow. Then go tag you bandits or terrorists. If they don't buy you at that spot, your spirit will wake up, go copy the inspector general phone number or the inspector or blah blah blah. Then before you go, you start to be laying your complaint. What a life. This country is too funny. It's too funny as well. Please share the video and tell us what you think at the comment section, guys.